Align the front wheel flower drum with the front fork hole. Insert the quick release lever and tighten it. Adjust the angle of the upright pole and tighten the screws. Insert the end cover and upright rod together into the head parts. Tighten the screws. Place the mudguard from the rear into the front wheel. Install the retaining screws for the fender support rod. The operation on the other side is the same. Insert long screws. Place the gasket and nut in sequence. Fixed mudguard body. Tighten the screws. Install the foot pedal according to the LR mark on the foot pedal. Installation is complete.